So, Monday, July 14th, and Dad's busy with gardening, but he's decided he wanted to do a bit of a vacation day for himself.
You know where the willows are getting picked all over?
Yeah.
I cut all that.
Okay, but he'll do a little landscaping around here, but his big thing here is fired up his smokehouse. And he loves smoking fish and meat, and you can see the smoke rising over the top there. 180 degrees right now.
On the thermometer.
Yeah. So that's just going to open up, and he's got hams and duck, and he just finished all the fish, so...
Okay. All this is ham.
Yeah.
And that's ducks. And that's goose.
Okay.
And here is Ducks Unlimited Boys beaver.
Oh, they got a beaver. Okay. So that's all going. He's got the old smokehouse furnace in there. And he uses this as much as he can. He loves doing this. So he was talking about it for a few days and decided to get a bunch of the meat out. And 180 degrees on his...
Perfect. Cooking
on his thermometer here, so that's what he's up to right now. And we got one of the dogs spent the night in the shop, not our dog. Neighbor called me at about 11:30 looking for his dog, and turns out he was in the shop the entire time. Had a bit of a thunderstorm last night, so I figured that's what happened. It's just one of the dogs snuck in and too scared to come out, and so yeah.
pretty comfortable. He's in the shade.
Yeah, that's one of the neighbor's dogs right there. That's Yeti, but it was Mila who snuck into the shop last night.
Yeti is pretty comfortable.
Yeah, so nothing progressing here with the equipment.
Well, I'm waiting for parts. Never heard from them today.
And nothing's happening here either. But yeah, oh, there's the little Nina Pinta Santa Maria. And there's Mila, who slept in the shop last night. And Yeti, he just loves coming here. That's it.
I got Honker's grandson's molded together too.
Okay. So yeah, Dad is just waiting for the humidity to die down. It's been like 70-80% humidity before he can paint.
I gotta be 60 or lower.
60% humidity or lower before he can do what he's got to do here. And so it's just a hurry up and wait right now.
This is the young guys here.
Okay.
I just gotta put the cover on, but he wants to know what it's all about. So
Okay, so one of Dad's best friend's grandchildren is
new coils and points.
wants to fix his motor here. And then our Filipino Emily on guard duty all the time. Hey, Filipino Emily, good girl. And yeah, that's the shop update here, guys. Nothing else exciting, but Cat has just given himself a bath, and it's a lazy day at the shop.